Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to change language in TikTok. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on mobile. And once the app is open. Step 2. Tap the profile icon, usually bottom right. Step 3. Tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner to access more options. Step 4. Go to Settings from this menu to adjust app preferences. And scroll down until you find the language option. Tap Language, then choose App Language. Step 5. Select your preferred language from the list. The TikTok interface will switch to that language. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.